Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Smartsheet APIs with OAuth 2.0 step. To authenticate Smartsheet APIs using OAuth 2.0, follow these steps. First, log in to your Smartsheet account. Next, navigate to the Smartsheet developer portal. Once there, create a new application. Provide a name and description for your application. Select the appropriate permissions for your API access. After saving the application, note down your client ID and client secret. Now, navigate to the OAuth and permissions section of your application. Specify a redirect URI for your application. This URI is where Smartsheet will send users after authentication. Next, visit the OAuth 2.0 authorization endpoint. Use the following URL format: https://app.smartsheet.com/b/authorize .
Include your client ID, redirect URI, and requested scopes in your request. Once you construct the URL, open it in your browser.
You will be prompted to log in to your Smartsheet account if you are not already logged in. After logging in, grant the requested permissions. Upon granting permission, you will be redirected to your specified URI. This URI will include a code parameter in the query string. Capture this authorization code. Next, you will need to exchange this code for an access token. To do so, make a POST request to the token endpoint. Use the URL https://api.smartsheet.com/2.0/token . Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and the authorization code in the request body. You should receive a response containing your access token. Save this access token securely. Finally, use this access token in the authorization header for your API requests. Your API call should now be authenticated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.